Hey everyone, this is William from forexstrategieswork.com, and today in this video I want to talk about the mindset of a successful trader. I have met many traders before, and I think one of the biggest failure, the reason why people fail is because of the wrong mindset. And in this video I will try to cover what I think is the right mindset, or at least this is the first step to successful trading. Now, why I think this is so important is because I believe that your inner world, my inner world, creates my own outer world, which means your inner world creates your outer world. And this boils down to your belief systems, because whatever you believe determines your action. How you trade will ultimately be based on your belief system. Most people think that a sound strategy is the key to consistent results. While that might be true to a certain extent, I personally feel it all starts from the mind. Your belief system will determine the type of strategy you use. So if you believe that the trading world is a place for you to get rich overnight, then observe and watch how it controls your sizing decision. If you believe that you can make fast money in trading, then watch the time frame you are trading. This is the first part that you want to look at. What kind of mindset do you have? I'm not going to list down a long list for you to what the right kind of mindset you have, but instead today I'm going to share with you what I feel is the most important mindset for you to develop, and that is actually to treat your trading as a business. And when I talk about trading as a business, it's, do you have a plan? Do you have a system that you follow? Whether you make money or lose money, do you have a system that you follow day in, day out? Because you know that this system will put statistics on your side. Where if you do it many times enough, and in a long good period, you will always come out profitable. And that's what a system is. You have to allow your system to work. And for your system to work, it needs enough time and enough trades. And when I say enough trades, it could be, you have to give it at least 200, 500 trades for it to know whether it works or not. Okay? When you're running your business, it's like you're milking a cow. And when you're milking a cow, this is what businesses are like. You find a sound strategy that works in the long run. And sure, you have losing trades, but in the long run, statistically, you will win. Your account have to be sizable enough though. And if you have a small account, say like $1,000 account with a 5% rate of return, you will make $50 per month. In truth, that's actually a very good return. But in terms of dollar value, it might not be enough for you to survive. So the only way that you can actually increase this is by increasing your portfolio size. So your next step is to work hard in your job, in saving more money so that you can increase your trading account. The above that I mentioned are actually very difficult steps, and most traders choose the easier route. And that easier route is actually to try to increase their rate of investment or return on investment to ridiculous amount. I'll explain more in detail on that. So just like in trading, it's very much like real estate. What happens in real estate is you lay out a high capital outlay to purchase or invest in a home for a small monthly rental return. Your trading account is like that. And You collect a small rental amount that generates consistent cash flow for you and your family. And if you can achieve 100% ROI per year with your trading, that's really good results. So let's be realistic here. You know this guy here, Warren Buffett, he's like the richest investor and a living legend. The thing is, if you look at his rate of return, he has been doing something like on average only 20.8%. Look at this, 20.8% per year. And that has made him, I think, the second richest man in a long time, for a long time. And this is his rate of return, and when compounded, that's a lot. Unfortunately, for many traders, they are looking at trying to achieve something like 20% per month. Sometimes I've seen some traders telling me that they think they can do 100% rate of return per month. Probably that's the wrong mindset. So, and I'll just show something else. What is a good rate of investment? By most analysts and by most experts, they actually benchmark it against inflation, and a lot of them actually come up with something like 15% annually. You know, 15% annually is not even 1.5% a month. So can you imagine if you are expecting 20% a month, or even 100% rate of return a month? That is a big mistake. Now, so this is the part. Most traders are actually attracted to crazy returns, and you know, sometimes I've seen a lot of offers out there offering 50,000, make 50,000 in Forex in one day. So these are all the shiny objects that I'm talking about. You know, these are traders with small trading capital, like something like 50 or 100 US, and they want to make 10,000. You know, this is exactly what a gambler's mindset is all about. And this is a formula to surely blow your accounts. I have seen traders with a small trading account of 1,000 US, and they are trading with one standard lot size, which is equivalent to 100,000 position. So let's be logical and let's be realistic. Although the returns might be great, but the fluctuation in a $1,000 account is going to be so great that eventually this account will just blow up. Why? Because you're not dealing with a system anymore. This is a roll of dice, and you probably cannot withstand 2 or 3 losses before your account is blown. So the main point is you need to have a good system that can withstand losing streaks, you know, dealing with bad runs, and yet the account can be sustainable and come out on top in the long run. Because if with a good system, statistically, in the long run, after maybe several thousand trades, you will still come up tops. And that is allowing your system to take its course. Okay, and then the main thing is in anything, business, in real estate, in investing, and even in trading, is all in the name of sustainability. Here I have is a MyFX book screenshot from a portfolio that we have in realtimeforexsignals.com /diversify 101. And here I want to show you that this account has been running for the last 7 months, and today is December 11th, 2018, and you can see that this account has been running and it has been growing month to month with a double-digit return from something like 13, the highest 24%. But I try to maintain a consistent rate of return of about 10% now. And with this kind of growth, you can see actually the portfolio is now 143% as of December 11 right now. So this is what when you add in the power of compounding, a small account actually can grow exponentially as with time. But you have to give it time. You have to give your system, your strategy, patience. But if you want a shortcut, you can of course copy our Diversify 101 portfolio. Okay, and I'll leave the link at the below of this description. So going back, just to recap, in today's video, it's actually the right mindset. And the right mindset is actually to treat your business or your trading as a business where you want to create a cash cow, a big system, a pot of money that gives you interest every month. It will be quite silly, in my opinion, to have a small account and you're trying to balloon it up to something like 500 account, to blow it up to something like a $10,000 account within 1 year. I personally don't think it's sustainable. So with that, this is William from forexstrategieswork.com. I will end this video now, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next video. If you have any questions, please leave the comment below and I'll do my best to address and answer all the questions that you may have. Until then, bye bye.